Hello everyone. Today we're gonna focus on new SAT problem. From those problems, we will try to look for the percent problem today. Okay, so first, if we have a percent problem, we can change that percent problem to the either percent equation or we can change it to the proportion. So first, when you change it to the percent equation, you can set up the equation as A is P% of B. So what is A and what is P%, what is of B, then you can change A is as equal P% of B. When you change it to the equation of P% of B, you can change that percent to the either fraction or decimal. If it is a fraction, then you can change it to P over 100. Of means multiplication. So you can change it to the P over 100 times by B. So whenever you have a percent problem, see if you can change it to the A is P% of B, and what part is given as A, what part is a P%, and what part is of B. And if you can change that to the equation of A is P% of B, then you can set up the equation as A equal to P% as a P over 100 times by B. So whatever missing value, you can just find out the value from the equation. Or you can change it to the proportion. So proportion is from the is and of, you can set up the is part as a part, and then of word means as a total. So A is means A as a part, and of B means B as a total. So A over B equal to P% means P over 100. So you can do the cross multiply and you can find whatever missing value from there. So we're going to do actual example problems from the SAT. So example 1. What number is 10% of 470? What number? We don't know. So I will say this one as a unknown value x. X is 10% of 470. We can just set up as an equation form. So this one turns out to be percent equation. So you can change it to the x is 10% as a fraction, 10 over 100. Of means multiplication with a 470. So if you use your calculator, 10 over 100 times by 470, then it turns out to be 47. So unknown value x will be 47. Or same as what percentage of 300 is 75. This one, I will use a proportion method. What percentage, we don't know. So I will say x% of 300 is 75. You can change it to the percent equation method or you can change it to the proportion. But I'm going to use a proportion method this time. X% changing to the fraction, which is x over 100, equal to, as is of a fraction, is portion is a 75, of means 300. So you can change it to the cross multiply, which is, I'm going to write it here, 300x equal to 100 times 75 turns out to be 7,500. And then you divide by 300 on both. So divide by 300, divide by 300, x become 25. So what percent is that? 25% of 300 will be 75. That's what it is. And I'm going to change the color to the green. Okay. And if you have 18 is 36% of one number. This time of one number is missing, so this one has a x. Then I can change it to the first percent equation method. 18 is 36% of x. Or you can change it to the proportion method. Is of will be is as a 18 of as a one number, we don't know, so x equal to percent as a fraction, which is 36 over 100. So you do cross multiply, will be 36x equal to 1800. So what is 1800 divided by 36 will be? There will be 50. So the total number will be 50. If you use the percent equation method, I can do with 18 equal to 36% as a fraction, 36 over 100. Over means multiply by x. So you can do multiply by reciprocal, which is a 100 over 36 on both. 100 over 36, then 100 divided by 36 times by 18 will be still you get the x value as a 50. So you can use either percent equation method or you can use a proportion method to solve the percent problem. This is a very simple, one of the simple SAT questions. Next time we'll do application problem from the SAT.